Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the XAVITO 3000 mAh battery replacement for Greenworks 80V tools. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. So opening this up, just show you. Again, it is the 80V. There is a big difference between the 60 and 80, so just be aware. They do not work together. So if you have a 60V tool, it will not work. This thing comes fully charged. I'm sure there's a little bit of a charge just to be sure. I'm going to go ahead and pop it in a charger and just see if it does charge up. But as you can see, simple concept. It's the basic 80V lithium-ion. These things run great and they do work well, and I'll show you test it out in one of my Greenworks tools, and we'll go from there. So when charging, just make sure that the lights are on the bottom, and this will be upside down, believe it or not. But just showing you, it plugs right into an 80V charger, and you can hear it going. So we'll finish the charge and then we'll demonstrate with a leaf blower or something. So I've got a Greenworks lawnmower. I decided I'm just going to mow my lawn anyway, so I might as well test this out and show you with this. So sorry that I'm trying to do this one-handed. It makes it a little bit more difficult, frankly, to get it in. But anyway, all we're going to do is just show you that it works. I've already tested out the battery length. So we'll hold it in. So again, difficult to show one-handed, but you can hear it running, see it. So the key part is that it works, and the secondary part is that it will have a good long-lasting battery. So I absolutely love this brand. This is actually my second battery, and I know it works well because it's my second one. But I do have a decent sized yard, so sometimes it's about having extra batteries to kind of swap in and out to get the front and the back. So hopefully this review has helped you. Definitely worth buying. Thanks for watching.